Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Deep Driving. As you can tell, I have my super obnoxious sunglasses on, and the interesting thing that happened this morning is as I'm driving to one of my schools, I see somebody next to me that has the same exact pair of sunglasses. And the great part was I looked over at him, he looked over at me, and we both smiled and laughed and gave each other a thumbs up. We, as two human beings, connected to each other because there was something alike. And that's one of the things that I want you to think about during this weekend. Why is it that human beings spend so much time trying to find things that make us different? If we focused on just what made us the same, life would be so different. Think about this. Imagine you're just walking around and you see somebody with the same pair of shoes as you, or you see somebody with the same shirt, and all of a sudden you look at them with that and you have this camaraderie with this human being that you just created based on something similar. That's my game for you this weekend on 4th of July. Find people that you see things that are similar. Like, we have eyes, we have hair. Doesn't have to be something specific. Find something that makes you similar and just acknowledge that other person and watch how you connect with a human being. If we could do that on a small scale, we'll start practicing more and more how to become more aware of how similar we are to other people, which will slowly get rid of how different we are from other people. So I appreciate you. Have a wonderful 4th of July. If you have this pair of obnoxious sunglasses like I do, then give me a shout out. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.